needs. What do I need to do if I feel distant from the Lord?
Siguro we feel distant from God kasi 'di ba may mga nagagawa tayong kasalanan and we know na yung sin separates us from God. Isa na yun, intentionally na ginagawa natin kaya we feel distant kasi tayo din yung gumagawa ng distance from the Lord.
Meron din naman mga tao na they really feel distant from the Lord, not because of their sins, pero because of their situation in life. Kasi may nangyari sa buhay nila na hindi inaasahan, even though they are still keeping the commandments of God. And they feel distant from the Lord. They feel forsaken, kumbaga. Parang nasa ng Diyos, parang ganon. Natutulog ba ang Diyos?
Natutulog pa ang Diyos.
Nako.
Ano kasing kanta yun?
Ah,
naalala.